So if there's no will and you can't get agreement among all the heirs, or let's say you might not even know who all the heirs are, or you can't find them, you can't locate them, you've heard of this person that might exist out there, and that can throw a wrench into the situation. So in that case, you really have no other option but to ask the court to appoint what's called a dependent administrator. This is kind of your last case scenario. You really do not want this, but if you have no other choice, this is the route you have to go. So you ask the court to appoint somebody who is qualified, meaning they don't have any, huge spots on their record, to appoint this person as a dependent administrator. And what that means is that every step along the way, that dependent administrator has to ask the court for permission to spend any money, to sell any assets of the estate. And you can see how going to the court, having a lawyer go to the court for you to ask for permission, that adds up in legal fees. The way to avoid this from happening is to take the short amount of time, the relatively small amount of money that it takes to go to a lawyer and get a will done, and get a will done properly. I've had a lot of people who come in and they have a will that their family member has gone through LegalZoom to do, and sometimes that works out fine. But if they haven't had it looked at by a lawyer, sometimes the results can be disastrous. It may not be valid in the state of Texas, and then it's like having no will at all, and then you're back in the anything can happen realm. It can cost any amount of money realm.